Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to fold a rectangle of fabric to make a bag. To make this bag you will need a rectangle of quilted fabric of 54 cm by 40 cm and a rectangle of the same size of light fabric for the lining. 2 pieces of webbing 35 cm long and 2.5 cm wide. 1 snap button. Place the lining on the outer fabric right sides together. On the short sides of the rectangle, make marks 5 cm at 4 cm from each of the corners of the fabric. On one of the long sides of the rectangle, mark 15 cm at 6 cm from the corner. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge, leaving the 5 cm and 15 cm gaps previously marked open. Cut the corners of the piece and flip it right side out through the 15 cm opening. Iron. Do not stitch the opening. Fold the long sides in half so that the lining faces outwards. Mark the middles of the short sides and make marks 5 cm either side of the middles. Fold the side along the line from the mark to the bottom corner. Iron to maintain the fold. Do the same with the other 3 sides. Top stitch all around the resulting piece 5 mm from the edge. Open the folds. Place the outer fabric piece up and iron. Place the piece lining side up and fold the side so that the previously sewn fold touches the strap opening. Do the same with the other 3 sides and iron to hold in place. Make marks 1.5 cm either side of the strap. Slide each end of the strap through an opening in the bag up to the 1.5 cm mark. stitch the top 5 mm from the edge, overlapping the seam by 5 mm on the front of the bag to hold the fold in place. Do the same with the second side. Fold the bag in half right sides together and stitch the sides 5 mm from the edge, leaving a 5 cm opening at the bottom. Fold in the corners of the bag, aligning the side seam with the middle of the bottom of the bag. Make a cross stitch at a distance of 5 cm from the corner. Flip the bag right side out. Mark a distance of 1.5 cm from the middle of the top of the bag and place the snap button. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media.